I am a divine expression of love in motion. Love flows through me like golden light, touching everything I see. I am open to giving and receiving love in its purest form. My heart is a sacred space filled with compassion, peace, and beauty. I am worthy of deep, honest, and unconditional love. Every beat of my heart vibrates with love and gratitude. I release all fear, doubt, and pain from my past. I no longer chase love. I attract it effortlessly. Love finds me because I am aligned with it. I am whole. I am complete. I am enough, just as I am. My soul radiates warmth and peace that draws loving energy to me. I am surrounded by people who appreciate, respect, and cherish me. I am a magnet for relationships that nourish my soul. Every connection in my life is rooted in kindness and mutual respect. I attract a partner who reflects the love I give to myself. Together, we build a foundation of trust, laughter, and loyalty. Our love grows deeper with every sunrise and every heartbeat. I am free from past hurts and disappointments. I forgive. I release. I rise. I allow love to heal every corner of my being. Love restores me, renews me, and uplifts me. I am glowing with self-confidence and inner beauty. I see love everywhere, in the smiles, in the sunlight, in the silence. Every moment of my life is touched by love. I am the source of love, and I share it effortlessly with the world. I am not afraid to open my heart. I trust love because I trust myself. I'm attracting love that feels peaceful, passionate, and true. My energy vibrates at the frequency of pure affection. Every breath I take fills me with tenderness and harmony. I attract a love that honors my soul's purpose. Love flows toward me like a river returning to the sea. I am love in its highest form. I am sacred. I am cherished. I am divine. The universe celebrates me with every loving encounter I experience. Love surrounds me like sunlight, warm, bright, and endless. My heart expands beyond fear, beyond boundaries, beyond time. I am constantly evolving into a greater expression of love. I am open to miracles of love appearing in unexpected ways. I'm aligned with relationships that bring balance and joy. I'm grateful for love that teaches, strengthens, and heals me. Every challenge I've faced has opened me to greater love. I bless my past relationships with peace. I bless my present connections with gratitude. I bless my future love with trust and anticipation. I am guided by the energy of love in all I do. Every word I speak carries compassion. Every action I take spreads peace. My presence alone brings comfort and joy to others. I am love embodied, radiant, powerful, infinite. Love flows through my hands, my voice, my eyes. I am surrounded by souls who reflect my light back to me. I am deeply connected to all life. I see the divine spark of love in every being I meet. I am one with the universe's loving rhythm. I am the vibration of kindness. I am the heartbeat of peace. I am the echo of divine love resounding through creation. I release all resistance to being loved fully. I allow myself to receive love freely and without fear. I am attracting a partner who values honesty, devotion, and growth. Our bond is built on respect, understanding, and passion. We rise together, stronger, wiser, and more loving each day. I am surrounded by relationships that bring out the best in me. Love thrives in my presence because I nurture it daily. I am a blessing to everyone I love. I am a mirror of divine beauty. I am radiant with compassion that inspires others to love deeply. The universe conspires to fill my life with affection and joy. I am constantly drawing to me experiences that remind me of my worth. I am a vessel of healing love. My words soothe, my presence uplifts, my energy heals. I attract people who recognize and honor my soul. I'm the answer to someone's prayer for love, and the love I give returns to me multiplied 1,000-fold. I am grateful for every expression of love in my life. The laughter, the quiet moments, the deep conversations, the gentle touches. Love moves through my life like a symphony of grace. I'm always in the right place at the right time for love to find me. Every heartbeat whispers, I am love. I radiate self-love that transforms my world. I speak to myself with tenderness and truth. I treat my body, mind, and soul with care. I celebrate who I am becoming. I am my own source of joy, and that joy magnetizes love. My love for myself sets the standard for all relationships in my life. I'm not afraid to ask for what I deserve. I am worthy of it. I do not settle for less than love that uplifts my spirit. I am secure in my power, confident in my beauty, and calm in my heart. Love honors me because I honor myself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to receive more amazing affirmative context like this.